61A Lecture Number 23. Announcements. Midterm 2 is on Wednesday. It's in the evening at 8 p.m. We'll focus on tree recursion, mutable values, the object system, and recursive data, linked lists and trees. Everything we've covered in the course so far through last Friday is fair game. And here are some past midterms. I do recommend working your way through a past midterm or two, or maybe all of these. I do not recommend just focusing on the very hardest questions. Some questions on some of the past midterms were really quite difficult. Very few people solved them. And yet many people did well in the class. You don't have to solve every problem in order to do well in 61A. And that means sometimes it's best to focus on the problems that are a little less complicated. Take a look at the Midterm 2 study guide. You can bring two-sided sheets of handwritten notes, and seated assignments will be released on Tuesday. We'll post a message on Piazza about how to look up your seat assignment. We will not have discussion sections this week. We will not have lecture on Wednesday, and we will have lecture on Friday, but I'm just going to show you a video of somebody else lecturing. And why would I do this? It's because it's a great video. If you watch lectures by video, then you'll see the same video in the lecture videos as you would if you came to class.